Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use HeyGen in 2026. So if you want to create AI avatar videos, faceless content, or professional talking videos without a camera, yeah, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, go to the HeyGen website and sign up with your email, so you can start with the free plan to test the platform. Next, click Create Video. This is where you start building your AI video using templates or a blank canvas. So yeah, select an AI avatar. HeyGen gives you many realistic presenters, or you can upload your own avatar depending on your plan. Now paste your script into the editor. The avatar will automatically speak your text in a natural voice. So yeah, select a voice and language. You can create videos in multiple languages for global audiences. Next, customize your background, text, and layout. This
Hi,
helps make your
I'm
video look more
excited you're
professional.
here.
So
This
yeah,
is your
add
voice clone
subtitles,
preview.
captions, or
Take a quick
visuals if
listen.
needed.
A great
This improves engagement and viewer retention. Now click Generate. HeyGen will process your video and create a talking avatar automatically. Finally, preview your video and download it in HD. So you can upload it directly to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. And that's how to use HeyGen in 2026. Once you understand scripts, avatars, and customization, you can create professional AI videos in minutes. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more tutorials.